It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hey, it's a great day here in the It's Vegan kitchen. Today we are cooking up breakfast sandwiches. So let's get started. As you can see, I have gathered my ingredients, and the sausage that I have, which is plant-based, needs pre-cooked. So I will be cooking it first, and if you have some that just needs heated, as you're preparing the recipe, just heat it up. Okay, I've got my flour tortilla. What I do is I cut them in half. I'm going to take my vegan cheese and break it to the size of my vegan sausage. And you could use shreds, but I'm using slices plant-based sausage. If you weren't able to find patties, you could always use lengths and slice them in half and lay them side by side. Then I roll this side in. It's just slight. Fold this down, fold that down, and you roll it over. Okay, I'll show you another one for demonstration. I bring in the sides. And Emily and I put this recipe together while we were on vacation because we couldn't find any English muffins that were vegan. We improvised, and I found out that I like this so much better than even the English muffin. Now we'll move to the stove and I'll show you how I grill them. I want to make sure my griddle is hot, so I put a spot of water on there and you can see it's sizzling. And the next thing that I'm going to do, I just like a slight butter taste. So again, you can see this is a plant-based butter, and because I want so little, I just rub the stick of butter over my griddle. Next, place your little breakfast sandwiches on your griddle. And you know, you could do this without using any of the vegan butter. That tiny bit of butter just adds a great flavor. They're going to brown on one side for probably about 5 minutes. Then I'll turn them and brown them another 5 minutes. While they're cooking, I do press them down. I'm going to check them to see how the browning's coming. I would like mine a little darker than that, so I'll be returning it to the griddle. That looks good. Again, I'll press them down as they finish browning. Okay, they're finished. It's time to serve them up. I wanted to show you what I do if I need these little breakfast sandwiches to be a grab and go kind of breakfast. I take a little square of paper towel, fold down the edges, then I bend this around, and as you can see, it's a perfect grab and go, and you can use it as a napkin too. This is how I would serve it if I was having a sit-down breakfast. You can put 1 or 2 sandwiches on a little plate, some tofutti sour cream, some salsa, both of which would be optional, and then some fresh fruit. Just makes this a gorgeous looking plate. This is what the sandwich will look like when you cut it open. You've got the sausage and a little bit of cheese and a nice crispy outer crust. Well, we've come to the end of this video, and it's time for the taste test. I'm dipping it in the salsa. That's a great breakfast sandwich. It's light in that it's not a big piece of bread, and also the sausage inside is so moist, along with some cheese and the salsa. It's great. I love the crispy outer coating. Please join us next week as well when we have another one of those wonderful vegan recipes for you. If you like this one, please share it, and of course, like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day today.